How to create accessibility course in Adobe Captivate. Adobe Captivate's latest version streamlines e-learning content creation for Section 508 and WCAG 2.0 accessibility standards. To access it, click the accessibility icon on the right side of the screen. At the top, in the slide accessibility section, you can add text for the whole slide and choose its language. This is crucial for assistive technologies, aiding learners with low vision and their speech agents. The reading order section lists all slide components. In this example, slide 1 comprises an image, a text element, and a button. By choosing the image, you can define both the accessibility text and its language. In this example, the image is inserted on the slide solely for illustrative purposes and does not actively enhance the content's meaning. As a result, you can hide the image from the screen reader and leave the accessibility text field empty. The following element on this slide is the text block, which contains the module title. Here, you can choose the text language and, if needed, conceal this component from the screen reader. In this instance, the default settings are exactly what you need. The final element on this slide is the Start button. Select the Start button, add accessibility text, and choose the language for the speech agent, ensuring accessibility for learners with vision impairment.